Have you ever felt lost when someone uses an English idiom? You know, those common phrases that don't make sense literally? Well, today we're going to tackle one of the trickiest ones: give away the farm. Let me tell you a funny story about a time someone misunderstood this idiom. My friend, Samantha, was helping her neighbor move to a new house. She thought giving away the farm meant literally handing over the entire property to the neighbor. So, she showed up with a U-Haul, ready to load up the whole farm. Of course, that's not what give away the farm means at all. This idiom actually refers to giving away or surrendering something valuable, usually in an excessive or careless way. The origin is uncertain, but it's thought to reflect the significant loss represented by a farmer giving up their entire livelihood. Let me show you how to use give away the farm correctly. My boss was negotiating a big contract, but he kept making concessions to the other company. He was practically giving away the farm by offering them way too many benefits and discounts. The deal ended up being a bad one for our company. Here are some examples of how you can use give away the farm in different contexts. In a casual conversation, I don't want to give away the farm, but I'll offer you a great deal on this used car. In a formal setting, we can't give away the farm in this negotiation. We need to hold firm on our key terms. In a negative context, the CEO gave away the farm by approving that acquisition deal. Now the company is struggling. In a humorous context, my little brother is always trying to get me to give away the farm and do his chores for him. In a literary context, the desperate king knew he had to give away the farm to secure peace for his kingdom. In a business setting, we can't give away the farm on pricing. We need to maintain our profit margins. On social media, I'm not going to give away the farm, but I'll share a few of my best productivity hacks. To help you remember the meaning of give away the farm, think of a visual image of a farmer literally handing over the keys to their entire farm property. This powerful visual can serve as a mnemonic device to recall the idiom's figurative meaning. Now, let's explore some fun facts about this idiom. This idiom reflects the cultural value placed on hard work and the importance of protecting one's assets. Whether it's a physical farm or a metaphorical farm of resources and opportunities. While this idiom isn't featured in classic literature or popular movies, it's commonly used in everyday conversations and business contexts. Over time, the usage of give away the farm has evolved, becoming more common in business and political contexts to describe excessive concessions or giveaways. Here are some idioms and phrases that are similar to or opposite of give away the farm. Similar: sell the farm, give away the store, bend over backwards. Opposite: hold the line, stand firm, dig in. These related expressions all convey the idea of making significant sacrifices or concessions, but they may have slightly different nuances or contexts of use. Let's try using give away the farm in a sentence. The CEO was so eager to close the deal that he ended up giving away the farm, offering the other company far more than we could afford. Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. The CEO was so eager to close the deal that he made excessive concessions, offering the other company far more than we could afford. You can see how the idiom adds a more vivid and impactful way of expressing the idea of making excessive or careless sacrifices. Here's a real-life story that shows how effectively using the idiom give away the farm can be. My friend, Alex, was negotiating the sale of his small business. The potential buyer kept pushing for more and more concessions, and Alex was starting to feel overwhelmed. Finally, he said, "Look, I can't just give away the farm here. I need to protect the value I've built up over the years." The buyer understood the message, and they were able to reach a more balanced agreement. Now, let's address some common mistakes and how to avoid them. When using the idiom "give away the farm," ensure you use the correct verb tense. Use the present tense for current situations, "I'm giving away the farm," and the past tense for past events, "I gave away the farm." Another frequent misunderstanding is thinking give away the farm means literally handing over a physical farm property. As we saw in the earlier story, always keep in mind the figurative, not literal, meaning of the idiom. Finally, it's important to use "give away the farm" in the appropriate context. Avoid using it in situations where it doesn't fit, such as a personal conversation about donating to a charity. The idiom works best in business, negotiation, or other contexts involving valuable concessions. Now, let's test your understanding of the idiom "give away the farm." 1. What is the meaning of "give away the farm"? A. Literally hand over a physical farm property. B. Make excessive or careless concessions. C. Donate a farm to a charitable organization. D. Sell a farm for a low price. 2. Which of the following is a synonym for "give away the farm"? A. Hold the line. B. Dig in. C. Bend over backwards. D. Stand firm. 3. Which of these is an antonym for "give away the farm"? A. Sell the farm. B. Give away the store. C. Hold the line. D. Bend over backwards. In summary, "give away the farm" is a powerful English idiom that refers to making excessive or careless concessions, often in a business or negotiation context. Understanding and using this idiom correctly can help you communicate more effectively. Add vivid and impactful language to your speech, and demonstrate your mastery of English idioms. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and start using "give away the farm" in your everyday conversations. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this idiom. Have you ever used "give away the farm" before? Or maybe you've encountered it in a funny or interesting way. Why don't you try using the idiom in a sentence in the comments? I'll be sure to give you feedback and encouragement. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.